Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to chat about cleaning gold jewelry, especially jewelry that has diamonds or stones that are held in by prongs. This video is inspired by my very popular video on cleaning silver jewelry because I was looking at some of my pieces and noticed that they were getting really cloudy, especially around the gemstone and kind of at the back of the setting. And I kind of went on a hunt to find the best way to clean these pieces easily and efficiently. I tried a few methods and I'm going to embed some clips here using this one particular device called the Magnasonic Ultrasonic cleaner, and I bought this item off Amazon and had really high hopes. So here are the rings that I want to clean. The gold ones have diamonds and the 5 diamonds here are definitely quite dirty, so I think I'm going to put this sterling silver Pandora one in first and see how it goes. Not only is this for rings, it is for any jewelry. This is the Magnasonic 3000 and I ordered it from Amazon yesterday and now it's here. So I have my rings to clean but also some earrings. You literally just fill it up with water, press the timer, and then it like shakes the dirt off of your items with the water. You can also put like a jewelry cleaning solution, which I don't have, but that would make it even better. And also it says it can clean glasses, which is very intriguing. It says that 90 is good for regular cleaning. So if the ring's in there, I'm gonna do on, let her rip. So you barely see anything in the water. I guess you can just kind of see it moving a little bit. And it says that if objects that have stubborn dirt and grime, you can use a longer cleaning time. And you may see smoke-like effect coming off of dirty items. So you open, remove the basket. Just drop this girl out, see how it goes. It did kind of take off some of the tarnish, but I think I do still need to do a little bit of a polish. Dropping my 3 delicious gold rings in. Let's see. I'm kind of scared. Be safe, my sweet friends. Okay, we're gonna do 180. And then you can click off if you decide you need it shorter. Okay, the gold is done. There are just some little bubbles on the rings. I used the Magnasonic and then I used an old Sulka brush with just some glycerin soap to kind of suds up around the stones. And that definitely made them a bit shinier, but I'm just gonna pop them all in for one more Magnasonic to see how it goes. Because I noticed that like most of the intense grime was still kind of on them. So let's try one more round. I'm not changing the water, that might help, but who knows. I will do 180 again. I definitely think they are sparklier. There is some work that still needs to be done on just like general gunk inside the settings. So as you can see, I wasn't totally impressed by this particular product. And I'm probably just going to bring all of my pieces to my local jeweler. But I did want to mention one really awesome hack that I've been using for many years now to clean my jewelry. So there's this Canadian invention right here called the Sulka brush. And this is a really cool item. It's actually meant for your gums and for cleaning your teeth. It has little replacement brushes here. And it is quite affordable. The best part about this item is that it has these really nice kind of firm bristles, and I find that this works so well with some dish soap to really remove any grime or oil buildup that could collect around your stone or around the setting of any especially gold or sterling silver pieces that you may have. Although the bristles are quite firm, I don't really notice much scratching because I am, quite gentle and I'll just kind of do small circular motions. In terms of other methods, you can kind of do the vinegar and baking soda trick, but I'd probably rather just use a very, gentle detergent like a dish soap that is safe on hands and cuts grease. But if you have any other options, definitely leave them below, any recommendations for us. I would greatly appreciate that. Otherwise, it's probably best to just leave this up to the pros. You don't really want to loosen the setting of your jewelry at all. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!